Many people fear that robots and artificial intelligence will take over their jobs. This is a common misconception. AI is not here to replace us but to help us work smarter and more efficiently. Think of AI as a powerful tool, like a calculator or a computer. These tools didn't eliminate jobs, they changed how we work and created new opportunities. Similarly, AI is changing the job market, but it's also creating new roles and possibilities. The key is to adapt and embrace the changes AI brings. Instead of fearing job losses, we should focus on acquiring new skills that complement AI and prepare us for the future of work. Those who understand and utilize AI are the ones who will thrive in this new landscape. They are not losing their jobs, they are getting ahead by leveraging AI to enhance their capabilities and productivity. For instance, doctors are using AI to diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. Architects are using AI to design more sustainable and efficient buildings. Teachers are using AI to personalize learning experiences for their students. These are just a few examples of how AI is augmenting human capabilities across various sectors. The demand for professionals who can work with AI is skyrocketing, creating a wealth of opportunities for those willing to adapt. Learning about AI might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. There are numerous resources available for individuals of all skill levels. Start by exploring online courses, attending workshops, or reading books on AI fundamentals. Focus on practical skills like data analysis, machine learning, and AI programming. Remember, you don't need to become an AI expert overnight. Start with the basics and gradually expand your knowledge. The key is to cultivate a growth mindset and embrace continuous learning. The future belongs to those who are willing to adapt and learn. By embracing AI, we are not surrendering to machines. We are empowering ourselves to shape a better future. Don't be afraid of the unknown. Embrace the opportunities that AI presents. Start learning today and position yourself for success in the age of AI.